Friends, have you ever wondered how a boy selling newspapers on the streets of Rameshwaram became the missile man of India and later the people's president? Today we are going to dive into the extraordinary life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man who proved that with dreams in your eyes, hard work in your hands, and honesty in your heart, nothing is impossible. Namaskar, friends. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss inspiring stories like this. Now let's begin the incredible journey of Dr. Awul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in a humble family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was a boat owner and imam of local mosque, and his mother was a housewife. The family was poor but rich in values. As a young boy, Kalam would wake up at 4 a.m., read the Quran, study mathematics, and then sell newspapers to support his family. Imagine a child who once struggled for school fees went on to design missiles and satellites for India. Kalam loved science. His teachers noticed his sharp mind and encouraged him to fly high. He studied physics at St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli, and later aerospace engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. At MIT, a professor once told him, Kalam, if you don't complete this project on time, your dream of becoming a scientist will vanish. That moment sparked a fire in Kalam's heart, and he worked day and night. From then, he promised himself never to give up on his goals. After graduation, Kalam joined DRDO and then ISRO, where he became the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV 3, which successfully placed the Rohini satellite in orbit 1980. This success gave India confidence in space technology. Later, he worked on projects like Agni and Prithvi missiles, which earned him the title Missile Man of India. But what Kalam made special was not just his brilliance, but his simplicity. He always believed great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. In 2002, Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India. He was called the People's President because he loved interacting with children, scientists, and common citizens. Instead of living a royal life at Rashtrapati Bhavan, he remained simple, inspiring everyone. He remained simple and inspiring everyone. He once said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Even as a president, he continued teaching and motivating youth to dream big. After his presidency, Kalam continued writing, teaching, and meeting students across India. Books like Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, and India 2020 became guiding lights for millions. On 27th July 2015, while delivering a lecture at IIM Shillong, Kalam collapsed. Even in his final moments, he was doing what he loved the most, teaching and inspiring. Dr. Kalam's life is proof that you don't need wealth or power to be remembered. What you need is courage to dream, dedication to work hard, and a heart that beats for others. He taught us dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Man need difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Even today, whenever a student holds a science book or a teacher encourages a child, Kalam's vision lives on. So, friends, that was the inspiring story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a scientist, a teacher, a president, and above all, a true human being. If you learn something from his journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such motivating stories. Remember, dream big, work hard, and never stop believing in yourself. Jai Hind.